Welcome to WBL Motorcycle Parts and Accessories Shop, a one-stop shop for your motorcycle needs. With wide variety of affordable yet quality motorcycle parts and accessories. From wheels, motorcycle horn, headlights, motorcycle batteries, brake pads, brake shoe, and a lot more, they have it all here. Their warehouse is also very spacious and with accommodating staff as well. They are located at San Jose, Pili, Camzar, and open from Monday to Saturday from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m., while 9 a.m. till 2 p.m. on Sunday. I highly recommend their shop, most especially for all motorists. So come visit and shop now at WBL.